Hi, in this lesson you will learn how to open new terminal windows and tabs. Okay, now we need to open the terminal. In the Launchpad, we can go ahead and type terminal, then open it. Here we can zoom this by pressing Command and plus. Now, how we can open another window in this terminal? Let's say we are doing some process here. For example, visit into the desktop and navigate to a folder that I have been created earlier, cd coffee /space programmer. I am using this /space because I want to define a space available in the middle. Here you can see we have a space there. Okay, that's it. And cd, not cd, it's just cd. We can copy this command and then paste that here. Right, now we want to keep this terminal as it is. To open a new window, we can go ahead and click shell, new window, and click new window with profiles. And otherwise we can directly click command and N in your keyboard, command and N. Okay, now we can zoom this by pressing command and plus, command and plus. Okay, this plus, this plus. Now this is how to open a new window. We can also open another window, and we can open many windows as we need. Now let's see how we can open a tab inside of this terminal window. We can click this shell and then select the new tab, then select the new tab with profiles. Okay, now we can switch between these tabs. Now there's another option after we adding a new tab. To add the new tab, we can click shell, new tab, then here you will see this little plus icon that defines create a new tab. You can click that to create tabs in the current window of the terminal. Alright, now there's a keyboard shortcut to create a new tab. You can press command and T to create a tab in the same window. In earlier we discussed we can create a new window by pressing command and N. Alright, that's it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.